See here, this project name is IoT blockchain data protection. Okay, so here you can see we are having two Java application, that is IoT blockchain server app, another one is IoT blockchain data protection web app. So this server app, it's nothing but to communicate with Android. Okay, so now here you can see in this application, after deploying that project, what you have to do, you have to change some paths and cloud ID password. So you can see inside that web-inf, inside com.data global.java, it's there. So here I have kept that cloud ID passwords and all, and here some path it is there. Okay, so those path, if you want to keep in E drive, you can keep it, or else if you want to change that drive to some other drive, that you can able to change. And inside E drive you should create two folder with the name of this IoT blockchain, another one is IoT blockchain download. Okay, this two folder you should create. So now, and this one, it's nothing but your workspace, your project path you should give. So after that, now we will run this web application. Okay, so for that we have to start the Tomcat server. Okay, already I have started, you can see already my Tomcat it's running. So what I have to do, I have to go to browser, and here I should type that localhost :8080. After that, Tomcat manager, then you can see here IoT blockchain, that server app, and IoT blockchain data protection, that web app, it is there. So we should open that web app only. So now here admin ID and password we should give. So we can see in IoT blockchain, that database, you can see that admin ID password is admin and admin. So you can go browser, here you should type admin and admin, click login. So login successfully. So here you can see this web application only to use only to register the users. So here you can see that add user, it is there. Here view user, it is there. Only now 4 user it's there. So now I will add another one user. So user ID 1005 we can give. Actually the email ID, anything we can give. Date of birth as of 1996. Anything we can able to select. Then yeah, BTM Bangalore, anything you can select, click submit. So you can go to view user, you can see it was added. So now what I have to do, I have to click that edit option if I want to change, so I can able to change. And one more thing here you should remember, if you have added any user, so you can't able to change that user ID, name, email ID, phone number, and all the date of birth. Okay, so those things you can't able to change. Why? Because you can go to database, go to aim user, you can see each and every user is having one hash code. So this hashtag, it's generating from this user ID, name, email ID, and phone number by using, here we are using that MD5 algorithm hashing technique. So by using that we are generating that hashtag. So now what we should do, we should go to browser, then here we can type that BTM2 or anything, then submit successfully. So you can see it was updated successfully. Now if I want to delete this thing, so you can click that delete option. See, I will delete. So you can see in view user it was deleted. Now you can go to admin and click logout. So this is the thing you should by using web application you can able to add the users and all. Okay, now you can go for Android application. Okay, and for Android application you should remember one thing, that Android application, that which mobile you are using, that mobile and this system, it has to connect it with same network. Okay, and here you can see in that ADT bundle we are having this two Android applications. Okay, which is so now here you can see this two Android application is there. So here before generating the APK, what you should do, you should open one by one that application, then go to src, go to http client, go to global.java. Here you should change the IP address, that's it. So then it will going to communicate with this server application. So now you can see for another one application, then global.java. So here you can see, okay, this is my system IP. So now you can able to generate the APK, and that APK you can install to your mobile and your application will run. Okay, so first I am going to open this admin login application. So here admin can able to give their ID and password. Then click that login button, sign in button. So it was logged in. Now you can go to that menu option, click here that NFC card writing process. Here we should type the user ID. Suppose first time I am typing anything, so click that cache hash code, get hash code. So here it is telling that invalid user ID. So now I have to type that correct user ID, that is 1004. Get hash code. So here you can see that the hash code it is displaying, right? So now we have to tap this NFC card. So I am tapping. So if I am tapping means it has to detect and it has to display one message. And this one NFC is enabled, sorry, this one NFC is not enabled, so we have to enable that NFC. So now I will tap. So you can see when I am tapping it's detecting. So now after that I have to click that right option. So one more time I will play this one. Then go back, go here to reading process. Here also you can tap your card, it will display. So now click back and I will click that logout option. So now another one, second application, it's there for user. So here we should give that user ID. Suppose anything I am giving means it will tell login error. So I should give 1004 and click that login. Here I should tap that NFC card. So hash code is detecting, and then we have to click that check hash code. Then here some option will be there like vehicle insurance, life insurance, fixed deposit. Suppose anything I can go. So here no fixed deposit details, so I should add some fixed deposit details. Suppose deposit number you can give, any random thing you can give. this remark, sorry for that, go to fixed deposit. That remark you have to give for what details you are adding. So this is my fixed deposit. Okay, then I should click that add button. When I will click, that file has to store into blockchain and in cloud. You can see the transaction details and all. Okay, so now you can see here also it was added. Now you can go for fixed deposit. So here you can see your details it is showing. So once you will click, you can see these details it is coming from server. So you can go back again, I will show. You can click and see here. So now another details, if you want to see my previous details, you can go back. Here you can see that vehicle insurance details. There we haven't added anything. So if you want to see another, see here also I didn't add. When I will add, those things it will come. So